Meet MedRep, the smarter way for medical representatives to manage their field visits. No more manual notes, missed follow-ups, or lost data. Everything you need right in your pocket. MedRep works fully offline. Your data is saved locally on your device. No internet needed to get started. The app supports up to 2 devices per account. But since data lives locally on each device, it stays separate per device. Sign in with Google to enable cloud backup and restore features. The home screen gives you your complete day at a glance. Today's visit count, total doctors, and your monthly report progress. There's even a live weather widget because a medical rep's day is always on the road. Quick actions let you jump to any feature instantly. Before scheduling visits, add your doctors. Fill in their name, qualifications, specialty, phone, email, address, and even a photo. Tag doctors with custom labels like Key Opinion Leader, Tier 1, or Apollo Hospital, making filtering easy. You can also call or email the doctor directly from their profile. Now let's create a visit. Tap New Report. First, select the doctor you're meeting. Then set the visit timing. Start date, end date, and time. Add the location, visit purpose, and a short description of what the meeting is about. In the report details section, add the products you're planning to discuss and add any notes from the visit. This becomes your official record of the meeting. Here's a powerful feature: schedule settings. Set a reminder so the visit automatically transitions to upcoming status before your meeting time. Set it anywhere from 1 to 120 minutes in advance. Never miss a visit again. Every visit follows a clear status flow. It starts as planned, moves to next when the reminder fires, then done once the meeting is completed, and finally submitted after you file the report. You can manually advance the status anytime. And if plans change, cancel the visit and reschedule later. With MedRep Pro, generate and share your visit report instantly as a professionally formatted PDF, as plain text, or via a shareable link. Perfect for sending to your manager or maintaining clean records. The PDF includes visit details, products discussed, and visit notes. A complete professional document generated in seconds. The calendar view shows all your visits for the month at a glance. Tap any date to see the full list for that day, with color-coded status badges for planned, done, submitted, and canceled. The search feature lets you find anything instantly: doctors by name, tag, or specialty, and reports by product name or description. Search Insights show a live summary of your entire database. Unlock the full MedRep experience with MedRep Pro. For just 100 rupees per month or 1,000 rupees per year, get an ad-free experience, unlimited backup, PDF report generation, and all premium features. Sign in with Google to subscribe. In Settings, manage notifications, backup reminders, storage, and cache. The support section has a help center, contact support, and a feedback option. MedRep turns every field visit into a structured, trackable, and shareable workflow. Whether you're a solo medical rep or part of a large pharma team, MedRep keeps you organized, professional, and always prepared. Download MedRep today.